Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator, so if you're having, kindly tag along with me. Okay, so this is Ganex 1200, and of course, guys, these have been on uptrend, even though the movement is not that smooth. Okay, and of course, got to this support zone and played around there for a while before breaking out above it around there, and it is still buying right now. Okay, so if you should zoom it out a bit, you will notice that this is still going to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be gain x999. This is gain x999. This started an uptrend right from here and it came to an end at this point. Tried to sell for a while, had a pullback, and of course I was expecting this pullback, so I made up my mind that once the pullback is over, definitely we should be able to sell. So this is our entry point and stop loss here. And of course, guys, we have TP1 set, TP2 set, TP3, TP4, and this is going to be TP5. Okay, so because we expect it to get to this region, however, this TP4, I mean the fourth TPs are so important. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's go on to our Pain X 1200. This is Pain X 1200. This started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, and of course, was unable to break out from the resistance zone at that point, and it started selling right from there. Okay, so this is still on downtrend at the moment. Okay, but if it should break out above this trend line, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, but for now, it is still selling until it breaks out above it. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This had been on downtrend right from here, came to an end at this support region and tried to go back into an uptrend, but has not been able to go fully. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it means that it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, then it should go fully into an uptrend. So we expect more of a buying opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out below the support zone. That is when it will not sell. Then the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This actually started an uptrend right from here, but it came to an end at this point and gave us um, a downtrend right from there, and it has been selling since then. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. There might be pullbacks in between, but it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis, apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before going over to your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.